Hello everyone, di video ini kita akan membahas 50 ungkapan bahasa Inggris sehari-hari terkait transportasi umum yang sering digunakan. Dari mengunjungi stasiun, bandara, hingga naik taksi. Yuk kita pelajari bersama. Di mana halte bis terdekat? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? Berapa tarif bisnya? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? Apakah kursi ini sudah ditempati? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Jam berapa kereta tiba? What time does the train arrive? What time does the train arrive? Bolehkah saya membeli tiket ke London? Can I have a ticket to London, please? Can I have a ticket to London, please? Apakah bit ini menuju bandara? Does this bus go to the airport? Does this bus go to the airport? Berapa lama perjalanannya? How long does the journey take? How long does the journey take? Apakah ini kereta ekspres? Is this the express train? Is this the express train? Apakah saya perlu berganti kereta? Do I need to change trains? Do I need to change trains? Apakah kereta bawah tanah beroperasi hari ini? Is the subway running today? Is the subway running today? Di mana saya bisa membeli tiket? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Apakah saya bisa membayar dengan kartu? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Apa stasiun berikutnya? What's the next station? What's the next station? Permisi, apakah ini peron yang benar? Excuse me, is this the right platform? Excuse me, is this the right platform? Apakah ada keterlambatan di jalur ini? Is there a delay on this line? Is there a delay on this line? Bagaimana jadwal kapal feri? What's the schedule for the ferry? What's the schedule for the ferry? Bisakah Anda memanggilkan taksi untuk saya? Can you call me a taxi? Can you call me a taxi? Apakah tram ini berhenti di pusat kota? Does this tram stop at the city center? Does this tram stop at the city center? Apakah diperbolehkan membawa bagasi di bus? Is it okay to bring luggage on the bus? Is it okay to bring luggage on the bus? Apakah ada diskon untuk pelajar? Are there any discounts for students? Are there any discounts for students? Bisakah saya memesan kursi? Can I reserve a seat? Can I reserve a seat? Jam berapa kereta terakhir? What time is the last train? What time is the last train? Seberapa sering bis ini datang? How often does the bus come? How often does the bus come? Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana saya harus turun? Can you tell me where to get off? Can you tell me where to get off? Apakah bis ini memiliki Wi-Fi? Does this bus have Wi-Fi? Does this bus have Wi-Fi? Di mana loket tiket? Where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? Bisakah Anda membantu saya dengan jadwal perjalanan? Can you help me with the timetable? Can you help me with the timetable? Apakah tarif taksi tetap atau menggunakan argo? Is the taxi fare fixed or by meter? Is the taxi fare fixed or by meter? Apakah jalur ini menuju distrik museum? Does this line go to the museum district? Does this line go to the museum district? Apa cara terbaik untuk menuju bandara? What's the best way to get to the airport? What's the best way to get to the airport? Apakah ada tempat parkir sepeda di kereta ini? Are there bike racks on this train? Are there bike racks on this train? Apakah saya perlu aplikasi untuk menggunakan layanan ini? Do I need an app to use this service? Do I need an app to use this service? Apakah halte ini ramah untuk pengguna kursi roda? Is this stop wheelchair accessible? Is this stop wheelchair accessible? Bagaimana cara memvalidasi tiket saya? How do I validate my ticket? How do I validate my ticket? Apakah ada layanan bis malam? Is there a night bus service? Is there a night bus service? Bisakah Anda merekomendasikan layanan sewa mobil? Can you recommend a car rental service? Can you recommend a car rental service? Apakah saya perlu memesan feri sebelumnya? Do I need to book the ferry in advance? Do I need to book the ferry in advance? Seberapa jauh stasiun kereta dari sini? How far is the train station from here? How far is the train station from here? Apakah ada kereta langsung ke pusat kota? Is there a direct train to the city center? Is there a direct train to the city center? Apakah saya bisa membawa hewan peliharaan di bis? Can I bring a pet on the bus? Can I bring a pet on the bus? Apakah bis ini berhenti di rumah sakit? Does the bus stop at the hospital? Does the bus stop at the hospital? Apa cara termurah untuk berkeliling kota? What's the cheapest way to travel around the city? What's the cheapest way to travel around the city? Apakah ada loker di stasiun? Are there lockers at the station? Are there lockers at the station? Berapa pemberhentian lagi hingga sampai ke pusat kota? How many stops until we reach downtown? How many stops until we reach downtown? Apakah saya memerlukan kartu khusus untuk naik kereta bawah tanah? Do I need a special card to ride the subway? Do I need a special card to ride the subway? Apakah ada toilet di kereta ini? Is there a restroom on this train? Is there a restroom on this train? Bagaimana cara berpindah jalur kereta? How do I transfer between lines? How do I transfer between lines? Apakah bis ini ber-AC? Are the buses air-conditioned? Are the buses air-conditioned? Di mana saya bisa menemukan papan keberangkatan? Where can I find the departure board? Where can I find the departure board? Apakah saya bisa mendapatkan pengembalian uang jika saya ketinggalan kereta? Can I get a refund if I miss my train? Can I get a refund if I miss my train?